if you are not using voice to text right now, with ChatGPT, it is so powerful. This will be one of the greatest pieces of efficiency that you learn. How often do you find yourself in a situation where you are really upset with a client or really upset with a candidate and you would like to give them a piece of your mind? I know I have found myself in that situation a lot of times. So here's what we're gonna do. I am inside of Google Docs. I am gonna go to Tools, Voice Typing. Okay, Tools, Voice Typing. Now, I'm gonna click this button and I'm gonna talk fast, okay? Here we go. I am so completely disgusted with the fact that I have sent you 8 candidates and I can't seem to get a response from you on it. You told me that you needed this person, that it was a very high priority for you. We discussed expectations when we first talked and you told me that you would give me feedback within 24 hours. It has now been 4 days and I have no feedback. If we don't get feedback on these candidates, we're gonna lose them. And if we lose them, I am never going to support you again for any recruiting efforts because I'm really pissed off at your behavior. All right, so now I'm gonna stop it. Now, that is just me off the cuff, okay? Thank you guys, right? I probably have wanted to say that for a while, Trent. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna come into ChatGPT and I'm going to say, my goal is to keep the client. Please make this a professional email where they understand my frustration, but I don't sound like a jerk. And then I'm gonna put my content in, and now I'm gonna let GPT write it in a much better way than I might have, okay? So it's coming in and it is cleaning me up, which I love, right? So let me just encourage you guys, when you wanna say something to someone, please, please say it. Say it all. Just do it voice to text and then let ChatGPT clean it up for you.